What are you doing, Zeke? What are you doing? What you doing? Are you listening to a song? What song are you listening to?
I sing to Awata.
Alwata?
Okay, Awata.
Oh, you're gonna skip to Alwata? Don't you push this? Or is it not working? Did it not work? Is it not working? Yeah, maybe you should just take it apart.
Need to take a boy come in. I tried to come out.
Mm-hmm.
Come out.
You gonna dance?
I'm not gonna go.
You're gonna what? What are you gonna do? You gonna dance?
I come down. Giggle.
Giggle.
Yeah.
Is this giggling?
Mom, look at me. I'm giggling so fast.
I see you giggling so fast. I don't think you know what giggle means.
Ways to giggle on a look.
Oh, it means to giggle on the rug. Okay.
Yes.
Hi, Eags. Are you walking, kind of? Egan, are you gonna dance too?
I can't go.
You're giggling? It's like jogging in place.
Mine.
It's good aerobics.
Now I need it. I don't need it. Mine. Mine. Mine.
Egan. Oopsies. Egan,
Oh,
how you doing? How you doing? Can you say car? What does a car say, Egan? Oh yeah, I know, Zeke, you know what it says. Egan, what does a car say? What does a truck say? Oh, you don't, you're too busy? Egan's too busy to talk to me.
Egan.
You can't always trade him. You can't always trade Zeke. Sometimes Egan wants to play with certain toys and you can't always trade.